Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and immediately choosing the layer you will change. Make a duplicate layer so you can undo easily later. Next, pick the correct color profile, sRGB for screen work, because colors look different versus print. Turn on the Layers panel, and if you only want to affect painted pixels, lock transparency. Once done, use a quick selection or the rectangular/lasso tools to isolate the area. This keeps adjustments precise and avoids altering the whole image. You add an adjustment layer. Hue/saturation is an easy start because it lets you change color without destroying pixels. Move the hue slider to shift tones, then tweak saturation and lightness to refine. Make sure to clip the adjustment to the duplicated layer so only that layer changes. If edges need smoothing, paint on the layer mask with a soft brush to fade the effect. For complex colors, use selective color or color balance. These give targeted control over shadows, midtones, and highlights. You finish by converting the layer stack to a smart object if you expect more edits, so filters and adjustments stay changeable. Then, toggle the adjustment layer visibility to compare before and after. Make final micro adjustments with opacity or an extra curves layer for contrast. If colors still look wrong, check the document color profile and your monitor calibration. Those are common culprits. As a quick troubleshooting tip, reduce the adjustment layer opacity to 50% to see if overcorrection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.